walking down the street like an alien. They say time will heal, but I don't have patience. You packed your things, now we begin the erasing. All the memories slow.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. So as you all may know, we are spending so much time here at home, so the cleaning never stops. We constantly have dishes and piles of toys and everything just thrown around. So today I will be cleaning most of my kitchen and my living room, as well as giving my restroom a very good scrub down. I will also be disinfecting some areas in my home, so I really do hope that this gives you some motivation to clean your home. So without further ado, let's get started. If you have never ever been in my channel before, I want to say thank you for stopping by. I am a mommy of two and I do a lot of DIYs, clean with me, cook with me videos, and home decor. So if this is content that you do enjoy, please consider hitting that subscribe button and joining my YouTube family. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications to get notified every time I do upload a new video.
Trust in our wings to fly.
You guys, so before I keep on cleaning, I do want to diffuse my sweet orange, tea tree, and peppermint essential oils. I do get all my essential oils, and this diffuser is also from Walmart. Everything is from there, but I have really been enjoying blending these all together. It just gives so much freshness into my home.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
Alright you guys, so just FYI, I am letting you guys know that you will see me wearing the same outfit that I did wear on my last video, and reason being is because I did film both on the same day. So yeah, just felt the need to let you guys know that. So since this was the same day that I did cook my tinga, as y'all had seen on my other video, I had just cooked this meal, so I wasn't fixing to throw it away, but I did need to clean my stove, so I just put my beans and my tinga on the same pot. That way I could wash all the other ones and give my stove a nice cleaning.
We've been here too long. I can't breathe, I can't take it slow. We're far away from home, but I can't wait to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Oh, nah, nah. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin. Cause every time we leave I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. Oh, so that I need is you.
So I am cleaning my surfaces with the Mrs. Meyer's spray, and you guys, for springtime I really do enjoy this scent. It is in the peony, and you can find this at Target or you can order it through the Grove app. But after I am done basically cleaning that, I am busting out my Clorox wipes, and I was actually more particular about cleaning my island because this has been one of the places where we have gathered around more to eat, and we just basically are always here in this area. So I wanted to just basically just make sure that I disinfect all this really good, and the stools as well.
Back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. Oh, so that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign more than in your head.
So with everything going on, I have found myself cleaning all the surfaces that we tend to touch the most, like all the knobs, all the light switches, everything, like the restroom knobs, every single little thing that we tend to touch the most or that has more traffic. I am either spraying Lysol all over it or cleaning it with my Clorox wipes. So when you are disinfecting an area, please don't forget all the other small spaces that go into that, because we do tend to forget to do like the switches and stuff like that. So just a quick little tip and reminder.
Tell me when to begin. Oh yeah, let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. My hands are tied, and you resonate inside my bones. Don't know why I'm incapable while you're unstoppable. Some big black clouds, the unavoidable is raining down. I'm fading now into an endless hole. When you come, everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
So I think that I have been actually so very grateful for this cleaning product that I do own, which is the steammop. You guys, I have really been loving this for many reasons, but as of now, it just really gives me peace of mind that my floors are nice and clean and disinfectant. So I love that. Now, whenever I do add water to it, I don't just add water. I do tend to either put like Pinol or Fabuloso, depending on what I have in hand. And so I mix it with the water, and I also do add a little bit of peppermint essential oils to it. And you guys, it makes my house smell so good, so clean, and so fresh.
Just turns around, I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone. Everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
So other tips that I do have that I unfortunately did not show in the video were usually whenever I am cleaning my living room, after I do fix all my pillows and everything, I do grab my Lysol spray and I spray it all over the surfaces of my sofas, my pillows, and my coffee table. Also, I do get my Clorox wipes and I do clean off like my remote controls. And while doing that, I do the cell phones, my kids' tablets, and their controllers to their video games. Just because those are also things that we tend to grab all the time.
Like a fire, unpredictable, so so original. You were never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you.
My bathroom has actually been something that I have been on top of as well. If I am not cleaning this bathroom every day, I am cleaning it every other day, and I am basically just using my Clorox wand to clean my toilet. If you do not own one of these, you are missing out. You can find this at any store, Target, Walmart, or anything. But I am just going to grab my Clorox wipes and also clean all my surfaces to the toilet, and just giving this area a good cleaning.
So different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Things up to knock them down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a
While going back to edit this video, just watching me steam mop the floors, it is just so satisfying.
I wish you'd stay, but there you go. I have so much I wanna say.
I am finally done cleaning the house, you guys, and it just feels so good to know that you have a clean and disinfectant home. It's just so satisfying. But I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed just yet. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!
I know that I always hurt your feelings. Yeah, I know that you'll never be forgiving me, and I just want you to know I didn't mean it. Baby, I just wanna be with you. I should be with you. There is so much that I would change about the way I treated you. I don't deserve